Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Stacy, and if you're a new subscriber, you're very much welcome to Tambile. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much for always sticking along with me. As you can see by the title of this video, today we're going to be very productive. And with that being said, Happy New Year 2024. For those of you that have already started it off on the right foot, well done to you. For those of you who are still umming and erring about what New Year's resolution you might want to have or what are the goals, don't worry. We're here to show you how you can actually visualize your goals, maybe get some ideas. With that being said, in this tutorial, we're going to be making a vision board for the year. Do not worry, because I know some of you haven't actually started one, and I know that some of you probably are thinking, how do you actually create one? Everything will be said in this video. I will be giving you some tips as well at the end of this video, so stick along with me and let's get started on making 2024 a very productive year. And if you haven't yet done so, please make sure to subscribe, leave a like, and let me know if you want anything else tutorial wise from me. I'll be happy to create and share the video with you. Let's get started. As you can see, I already have a vision board. I've already created mine, but don't worry, this is your journey. With my one, I decided to put the pictures in different categories, and that's what we're going to be doing with ours. So for here, we have relationship, relationships with the man, friendships, family, our relationship with God, maintenance, looking after myself, being the girl boss, because this year I know I'm going to be one of God's strongest warriors, but we're going to make sure we do that, so at least the following year we can have a soft life. We also have a section here about traveling. I am going to be focusing as well on vlogging, content creation. These are the categories that I have for my vision board. So for you, all you need to do is have your internet browser ready, and you're going to need two websites, Pinterest and Canva. These are going to be your two best friends for this vision board. Make sure you have signed up for these two websites, and once you've done so, you'll go onto Pinterest. This is where we're going to start. You'll have your home page, an explore page, create page in case you want to post a few pictures, and you have your profile. With your profile, this is where we're going to be creating our boards. I have so many already over here. To do that, all you need to do is click onto the plus button. We're going to put a board over here, and then we're going to say Vision 2024 Slay. You can keep this board a secret, or you can have it public, whatever you want. I'm just going to click keep this board a secret. Create. Once we've created our board, you'll have some pins for inspiration, but we're just going to click on done. Right, this is where we're going to be saving all our pictures. You want to click on the home page. What we want to do is start searching for some inspirational pictures. And by the way, I love Pinterest. I feel like it's a lot more productive because you're seeing a lot of inspiration on there. As you heard when I created my vision board, I had some categories. What we can do is start off finding some pictures based on different categories. So we have relationship. We're going to type that in. Relationship goals. Let's click on it. Here, there's going to be an abundance of photos for us to pick from. For the purpose of this video, we're just going to find a few pictures that we want. I also try and think of a theme or color that I want my vision board to have. For this tutorial, we're going to have a lot of pink. I attract positive, healthy relationships. Oh, that looks nice. Click on this. So once you see a picture that you do like, click on this downwards arrow once you've clicked on the picture, and you're going to find the board that you created. So here it is, Vision 2024 Slay. So we're going to click on there. What you can do is you can go back, or you can have a look at more pictures. Oh. Next up, we're going to look at family relationships. So family relationships. fitting in with the pink aesthetic. Some of us want to be reading the Bible quite a lot. Maybe this year this is our goal. You can search anything and it'll pop up for you. The next category we're going to go for will be maintenance, making yourself feel good, whether it's going to the gym, your nails, hair, makeup. I really like looking for people that maybe have the same skin complexion as me. Okay, this looks good. I'm gonna put that there. Okay, so once you've downloaded all the photos, you'll find them in your download section, in your folders. You want to click onto Canva, make sure that you've signed up to it. Click on your home page, click on create a design. You have all these different options. You want to create a photo collage, document, desktop wallpaper. It has all these sizes. What we're going to do is create a desktop wallpaper. But don't forget that with these vision boards, you have the option to print it all. So if you want it to be somewhere in your room, you can do your phone, iPad. So the options are endless. For the purposes of this tutorial, we're just going to click on desktop wallpaper and we have a blank piece of paper. Next, click onto uploads, click upload files. It takes you to your download section, or you might need to navigate. Start picking all the photos that you saved. So I'm going to click on upload. Once this reaches the top, all the pictures would have loaded. And once that's finished, what you can do is drag in some pictures onto the blank canvas. For example, like this. Get creative. As you saw on my vision board, I split it in different categories, but you can literally put it anywhere you like. You have the option to size it down or up because maybe that's something that you really want. You have the option to play around with it. The good thing is, because this is going to be a collage, going to be layered, so you will find pictures being on top of each other. But what you can do is you can click on more, layer, bring backwards, send to the back, or show layers. Sometimes show layers is a bit more easier, and what you can do is drag in the pictures wherever you want, and it'll show up on here whether it's sent to the back or sent to the front. Okay, so let's have fun with it. Okay, because this is very much tutorial purposes, my vision board looks very basic at the moment. It's not actually in the set categories. The order is all over the place, which is fine. It's all okay. So once you're happy with your mood board and the placement of the pictures, all you need to do is click on share, download. You're going to save it as a PNG, and then you can click on that download. Here is our mood board, which you can make it as your background. So go on to the actual image in the download. I'm gonna have to do that. There we go. And there is your background. I think the sizing is off. As you can see, everything is chopped off or cropped off, but you get the basis of creating your vision board. Again, you can download this and put it on your phone, iPad, but again, play around with the sizes. You can definitely Google it and just make sure you have fun with it. So what I did next is I took my vision board to an extra step, and this is where I am gonna give you my tips. So what I did is I created a planner. I was gonna go with a digital copy for my iPad, but instead I have used Notion. This is not sponsored, by the way, just to let you know. And with Notion, I have put my vision board over here. It has literally all my goals. I downloaded this from a YouTuber, Aaliyah Dib. I will link everything below where I got this template from, but it has my 2024 goals in here, my wish list. Again, I use Pinterest, monthly reflection, budget tracker, manifestation, just everything in one. And it will take a while to get used to, but believe you me, once you have it, you will be really happy, because you can tick off things on your to-do list. You can, here for example, Wednesday work, I've collected my glasses, I am filming a video. So honestly, this is one of the best things I've discovered. Unfortunately, I cannot give you a tutorial on how to use this, but again, all the links on how to use Notion will be down below. So now that we've done with the tutorial, thank you so much for getting this far in the video. As I shown you, I have been using Notion to put some of my goals into action. I will leave everything down in the description box below. I think that's what it's called. I have not looked at YouTube in a while. And with that being said, make sure you look into those videos, because I really want you to achieve the best in 2024. Maybe you might want to also have a look at a book. I have not read it myself, but I believe it's called I have it right here. Where is it? Journal reading list. There we go. The 12-week year. It's by the authors Brian P. Morgan and Michael Pennington. So definitely check that out. I'm yet to order mine. When you download the template from Aaliyah, she will actually speak about it, as well as other YouTubers, about achieving your yearly goals in the space of 3 months. In each quarter, you'll have a different set of goals that you want to achieve on your vision board. And believe you me, it's going to be intense, but I think these strategies that you put in place for yourself will really make you feel good by the end of the year, because you'll have what you wanted. It'll be with you. If it's a Jeep, Wrangler, Sahara, it'll be with you. That's my baby. If it's jetting all to the Caribbean islands, whether it's Jamaica, you will do it. Whether it's saving 20K in your account, you will achieve it. So definitely check those out. And without further ado, thank you again for watching this video. I really hope it was productive and useful for you. And I really hope that these are the sort of videos you enjoy watching from me. Thank you very much, and see you in my next video. Take care and have a safe 2024.